Lesson 5 of the Spelling by the Rules is going to cover 2 different rules that you may not be aware of, and they're great rules to help with some of the confusion of the short ah sound being spelled by A. And the rule, 2 different rules, is when A comes after W, it makes the short ah sound, and when A is followed by an L, it also makes the short ah sound, or the short O sound, which is ah. And they brainstormed some words for both of these rules. And this rule right here, which your children would see in their classroom and have gone over, is when A comes after W, it makes the short O sound, ah, as in watch or water or want. The other rule is when A is it comes before an L or is followed by an L or 2 L's, like in ball or wall or tall and salt. Okay, so they will be brainstorming words. This may be a little more challenging this week, so the word bank is going to be very helpful for you this week in the different words, and unblending them and associating that A with that ah sound after and before those the L and the W. Unblending, still very important. And then as they are able to kind of feel more comfortable with the rule and come up with words of their own, the unblending will be very important, because they may come up with some short O words, and you can kind of direct them in listening for that W and listening for that L. So it'll be a little more challenging, but it's a great rule for them to know and to be aware of when they're spelling.